So I bought this abandoned storage room for only £2. I won an auction, and nothing expensive here, but for £2 I think it's worth it. So we can see some toys, some small home appliances, some ornamental plants, and bags with different stuff. We have these pants that doesn't look amazing, but in the job lot it's worth it. So everything was stuck in a cart, which was the first time that I bought anything like that. But easier for me, everything was close to the car, so easier to unload. We've seen this bag, Ted Baker, and I think can go for some money. Yeah, but mainly there was rubbish that has to be thrown away. As you clear your kitchen, it's like just throwing everything that you have in the drawers. Some blankets that wasn't clean, 20p, nice. That's something. And yeah, bags with different sprays, solutions, food, and all that. And I will just speed up a bit, so I'm not gonna spend too much time looking at every bag because it's nothing interesting. I think there was something that we didn't have in the photos when it was listed the room. So we have a mixer. I couldn't find the lid for this, so the price will drop a lot. There was some extension lids that will go for £1, and yeah, some duvets and blankets that was nothing. These incense sticks, they can go for like £1 each, and the rest maybe another few quid. But I think overall, taking everything, the small things, we can make about £40-50, which is okay for a £2 bid. That's it from this unit, and I'll see you in the next one.